Right? Now the other thing about women is that women order short. Women order short. So they say they want a little. They say they want the chicken, but they want the lobster. Right? So she says she wants a little flirtation or a little text or something like that. Like she probably wants a lot of romantic attention and really, get in there. And
why is that difficult to say though? I mean, if that's what you want, why is it perfect? Is it vulnerability? Like you don't want to say what you really want?
Yes. So men and women deal with different issues in intimacy and relationships. So one common issue that women deal with is related to their appetites, their desires, what they want, sometimes because of all kinds of things, the culture and the way we're brought up and all kinds of things. There can be a self-doubt, and when that comes up, women can be afraid to really ask for, I don't want to put too much on him, or I don't want to be too much, or I don't want to be rejected, and everybody struggles with these issues, but for women, that's really one of the big issues. It's very common. Yeah.
All right, so read between the lines is what you're saying?
Yeah, you get a female decoder ring.
Female decoder ring.
Right.
Yeah, that was a topic we did in
Right.
one of our advanced programs, was the female decoder ring. Like, what is she saying and what is she really saying?
And a smart move is give her everything that she wants in spades. Just really why not? And not as a capitulation or an accommodation, but as a hero. Yeah. Act of generosity. Yeah. Or, being smart.
All right.
You got me, and I got you.